أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Gambia banko molu anin Gambia silalu anin Gambia diŋol men be banko kan men be bantala ngal be konton al tolnal konton la alnal badi malama alla chairman landin bi sane yo na diamo be dendi men wala mu tumando amanka jabiriti fan diamo me yalon ko na president memo president Adama Barrow kunon ay kuma kanol men fo ala brikama bendulato ka jindi na party leader kam mem yalon ko wala mu party leader and secretary general of the United Democratic Party Alhaji Honorable Lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Dabo ay bankol men fo membe dendi wala karola yo kumo nyin ko me nga fa nyama manka jabirti jama man dalika audio diamo ke bari ko nyin atambita Honorable Lawyer Ousainou Dabo waranto UDP ko lale adun tolbe den ta fenela me alon ko ibe patito e mantra patito ibe man sakunda do ko le manka man sakunda do ko lati o e mu Gambia diwti manga Gambia diwti bar ni be Gambia kono Gambia la ko nyane sulalale nim banko a nyatlin kula me alon ko ate banko nafala ate banko diwul nafala asike banko askeno sababuti man toroti waranto fitnoti banko kan ni mum moti me alon ko e banko kanu ya diwul kanu nyanna fosi wuli ya diamu tumando wol ben diamu ndikan bari amanke jabirti because muna nan ka manke jabirti ni mo meta tumando bate kalon ne nyin kumo mu kumalati kumo jamal kono president ka kuma sifal men fo men yalan ko manka kuma kendelti bayri ngamella moy video to president fon manke koti ay banke o men ke ka jindi Ousainou Dabo kan fo ala saya kawo lankenema kaje ko abitala bade to labe falale atayta bade ala wala bade to fo amanna da wala fake kali kwaye kali obe falale atayta wala bade dulato atasina na yamfu oton kode o a jakalo bina warla domanding president ya fallondi damento waranto ate sayen president tata famuta mumenti o jakalo bina warla bake bari ndela kumo be mem bulala ko no wala minti ko president wala banke o fo president fo alonne ko aya fan implicate le bang because bi president wala mari bari lunde bina sila diata ya kuyata ate kala president aka mem fo ko be falale ayta wala bade odo inshallah asimenya onya ofanan alawla wato be sila male barate fanan alala wato be sila male bari men kum ada ko kono wala minti ko nata ka wala bade announce fokati kaita ni ko be falala atabita wala bade oto atle obo ate boring ko la wala bade oto atabina yamfula ay president ya di woto sign wala fa ko oto fa ko lonjele ban ay kulon wala niyo la anala sima baliato ay fa fel lonjele woto kamala alanyin kumo aden kala kuma dol kay men fo komando nale hakilo ba kan komando president kilon na ta man sakongo serun kono ay bankewol ke je men yalan ko ay threat sol order adon president mo kilinde me yalan ko banku dingole mu ko mo banku dingoti nyamen Adama Barrow kilimu men nga long me yalan ko mo ma lon nu nyaal hakilo ba kan nyine mu Adama Barrow 2016 mol ka nyol nyinin ka mu na musole fokke walam nyine mu Adama Barrow me yalan ko fentabulu mo ma lon nyim banko kan wo Adama Barrow wal kana lobby because afi president wal mati ka banko molu ka threats gindi mol kan wala mi nyindi ka silandir kumol fo ka bula molla fo amanda wala fo molu niol wala to molla fa wato akawol yitandi because nyin aytande ko obe fala wato min ate wolone wala mi nyindi ko obe fala la ata man fa folo ata do be tata president yalla woto police ol yedo ko sotole bar police ol demande ngaji ko loptanto do kulal même saki atrek solti ye do ko sotle pour que president on jube fo a sondo mo ba notole fondum fanan police ol fana yala ko jube fo ataka abe fitna kurkuro menna fo anyana continuer la tenne bang nata ko men ya maral be je me yala ko abe dende security la pour que banko mol tankandi fitno la woto ngamira police ol do ko sotle bi ka president la ko jube ka kiskisi fo president be nyimmenke kam fo be kayro samala nyim banko kam fa be kayro tan samala nyim banko kam adama paro taman ka nyim gambiyati moma adama lon nyim banko kan adun adama ala londo man nyim banko siyama ala nafulo man nyim banko siyama ala lambe o man nyim banko siyama because black the president nga lonnem nga komorje woto ni o kalo nyim banko tema me ya lon ko ite nyana kayro lay diamle kayro sabatindi wona rake number 1 threat ka banko mol threatin warando ka fitno kurkuru banko kan because akoida mobe mala diata te akuyata UDP is the biggest political party in this country ni ka lo wala nyaton ko imam fem fono ina mandiam political la karola foi ka alsima na alsima bala na la fa iko ka wala lankenama wo ko sita miro mal wala nan ko ye loptan ton ko ta ye president jube fa sondo mobe lora noto fondo amantra lora noto pour gamien ko salo ila president fa be kende arne bang fa man kende police ol fana yela do ko ke president ka president da man ko be loi santola ni mu president di mantra loi santola ni kuke men si fitno sama na banko men si banko la nyato banko la tanyato anala kayro sabati tinya nyanne kiskis la ye ilondi silokan bari national assembly ye do ko soto nyi ko kono la president gambian ko te kayro ngani yanola ya tambindi ya ka president da na ke mo foloti men ka fitno kurkuru nyi banko kan nyi manka nyi na foloti pour ka nyi kuma sifal fo me alan ko abe fitno wulindira bara samo asitalo television do waranta asitalo radio do asafo ko national reconciliation waranto national dialogue pour mo leke kilinti molbe kilano kilindi nyaadi le me alan ko itlem banko nyaaton koti ite ka kuma fo men alan ko kuma katiba lollem e kana na amurika fo mole ko aleke kilinti o munafiki yalti adu nafiki ya sangaralem bari jakalo dobe je bara te warla because nyimmo kilon le lota jang ako ate ya afonsu wuludin aka e wo sacrifice bara manda wala ko nyimmo kilon ka ata ka furewul wuli aka da furewul wuri ka pour ka safoke ida kono wanda ke safoke bala to ni wol lota a nyatli molla mo kendola imme mirano ko ite ni mo mari be albebe alala bulu ite ko ka ite ni wala ko ibe falale ngate la bade dula fo ngela bade o confirm koy fatal mo men correcta ma la han mo kenson la ne nyana fala but gambian ko lu mfudata tembel don nyanna korsiro kala nga ko jube nyim manka politikoti because nyim ko diamo wulta menna iko loya dabo ko naka da president iko banko mole korda men dila be bondi la jere womu man sakunda diamolti o manke personal diamolti personal diamo ite menketen ko adam loya dabo e fa ita bare la womu you went personal. That was completely personal. Loya dabo kamen fo ako Gambia banko memun tol tati ite tante Gambia banko ako iko man sakunda keno men dila amandi silo la ni asida aba kisikis la comme ya fo nyamen wala mu nyinde ko na mantane silo ba tale bulle let me tell you once more adama when the administration of this country change, leadership of this country change, you must have to expect that ko ibe kisikis la le yakuo kuke amanke nyin korda la ko da mat whatever you've done in this country will be looked into, and if you are found liable, like acquiring a plot of land that is not in line, you will forfeit it. Itamanka imbankoti. Moman loya dawo ma foy ko alla man kaman kunda korda ba tale bulle. Hani loya dawo man business ro anana taw fole. Ay même foy wala nyindi ko banko e korda men dila. And amantanen silo na amantanen silo la ni loya dawo jumala mo wo korda be tale bulle na amantanen silo la. You have no rights to query that. Adung amanke kuti kamko amanya na wofola. But you went personal, ka attack on a personal line, pura akabe falale. So I think Adama has to differentiate between personal issues and governance issues. But often tekela fenchoti atakala jahaloti. During last year, ekata rauno la banko beka Adama kata rauno la banko beka. Could you imagine banko la president ekafo mole ko al carte o fay na NPP ko liye na le carte o fay wole enteni wolle be doko kenola. Who are you to determine Gambian ko nyana mento mona puliteni men nyana doko kela fo del tamu nyim bankote ita nyam tamu nyim bankote Gambian ko yite lokita ye carte o fay as you claim ye ke president so ite ba fa Gambian ko yal be men tambin la nyaro puliteni men be doko kenola. Who are you to select that? But wole ayitandi ko you have no idea about governance and the difference between governance and personal issues. The threats that you are giving to Ousainou Darboe right now, the police should investigate and the police should call you for questioning. Amanya Nadana, but the National Assembly should claim against you. Amanya Nadana, you should visit the psychiatrists. Purka your well-being and your mental health. Because state issues, state matters have nothing to do with personal issues. You see, Lawyer Darboe's claim is connected to state matters. And he has every right as a citizen, not even as a political leader, to make comments on that. You have to do things right. But you have a lot of other works to do, but you don't even know your work. Because the best thing would have been you go and work on the corruption claims. Many have been submitted from the National Audit Office. You would work on how you remedy the seemingly disaster that the Gambia may experience as a matter of this heavy rainfalls. You would have been thinking about kids. They're going into the seas. Gambian children going to the deserts and dying there. If you had known what you should do, that should have been your primary and your priority focus by now, rather than, raining personal attacks as a president. This is very disappointing. This goes to show how much irresponsible we have as a president that we have. We have a president that is very, very irresponsible. And we have a president that is very, very useless. That must be very clear to you. You are so much busy on what UDP does, what Lawyer Darboe is saying, what answers you have for Lawyer Darboe. But there's so much, issues that are surrounding the coups problem that the youths are faced with. You are not even mentioning that. But you are so much busy and, so much following whatever UDP or Ousainou Darboe is doing. And this one is the worst, because this is not only about Ousainou Darboe. This is about the country, the security and peace of this country. I think we are very unfortunate to have a president like you. We are very, very unfortunate to have a president like Adama Barrow. All over the world, for example, the nearby countries or the sister countries around in the sub-region, I have never heard of this kind of attack or this kind of comment coming from a president. You could have your way to deal with personal issues, but as the country's president, so much busy with personal issues. I don't know what is wrong with you. But and that I want to echo and re-echo again. Whether you like it or not, Lawyer Darboe, that's the fact. Niman left will leave our office and go back and sit in Mankamangkunda. As long as you are the president of this country, you will be accountable to the people of this country, including Lawyer Ousainou Darboe. So he has every right to challenge you and to tell you that if you do not manage the welfare and affairs of this country well, you will be, accounted for it. And if you are liable, you will face the penalties. Of course, that is not a joke. You must be prepared for that. And if you are not prepared for that, it's high time you start packing. Because nobody bothers when you were not a president. Whatever you are doing, you are doing your thing around. Nobody knows you, or nobody knows you. But Adam, what is the problem with you? It seems you are an angry person. Well, you can continue to be an angry president because you may not be comfortable with what you are seeing in this country. Because the people do not support you anymore. because they've seen you to be a very irresponsible president who cannot focus on the welfare of the people, but you are only focusing on your personal family welfare and that of your political party, as if this country belongs to you or your family. Adama, these things must be very clear to you. But the fact that Imuka, you have no idea about governance, and you do not respect governance, and you do not have any clue about how to steer the affairs of this country, you keep on messing up. Yatina mol jututa na bankola. Currently, all over the world, mol jututa Gambia. Gambia has never gone this far with regards to its diplomatic, the respect it has in the diplomatic scene. Gambia has never witnessed this kind of deteriorating circumstances surrounding our diplomacy and our international relations. Currently, Gambia's situation is messed up because of you, because you do not even differentiate. You do not even know how to run the country and how to earn the respect of your own people, more so your compatriots around. This is not a secret. You must know this by now. Mol me bunya. Mol me bunya. It's very unfortunate that probably you do not know the difference. Ni mol ke kumandi ka medayol dealer, you know, and they salute you for unnecessary or things that do not exist. Inya nefan jube kulala. And yen men kumomen foteng wana mulunta nyo jamalu, whether you like it or not, or whether you know it or not, it's not something me alonko mo wajibe la kabelo ya dabole dimila. No. You must get it to yourself. Ko iya follow ya dabole barate o dimila dunia mo lebete fon sumanda ile fo kumola. So it's left to you to know ko kumomen ka boyda kono dunia mo ke jibe welcome. And that's the fact. Ila banko mo fanan ke jibe welcome. Wala na banko mo jututela. Honestly, yamara lo kolone nintol bulle sainde. Not only yourself, but yamara lo kolone ni Gambia nyaton ko bulle, because you've brought leadership to the ground. You've dropped the ball. You really dropped the ball. You've made the leadership a nightmare in this country, because munemu people see other leaders, you know, see you in some of the leaders. As the president, perhaps politician olu waranto nyaton ko bebe wal nyama. Yati na bi moma nyaton ko bunya. Moma more respect because of you. Because the substance, the good substance that should be in leadership, you've definitely caused this country a lot. Probably it alone now because but if you look around, in the corners, the fact of the matter is Adama has dropped the ball. Yes, one time we had a military leader, but the respect for presidency, the respect for leadership has never dropped this low in this country. And the respect at the international scene has never dropped this low, because you totally do not understand issues. The only thing you know is go run, follow your opponents or your political opponents, look at words, you know, that you should utter, or threats or insults that you should rain on them. And a clear example of that is all what you've been telling Ousainou Darboe and his party. I know, you are having sleepless nights because UDP will grow kanyameng, and in UDP will nimbanko bitilo mol be lafika UDP kanyam because you tonya jele. Wole be batandi kang. But oman jara nyone wala, oman jara ka fem fo mo nyoma me alonko ite fo alonko barako tetla. Anyway, ya morning be lafila ka kanyanjang bari adama la ko sike moye maloti, not atela personally ala own personal name, but because atela president wati nyimbanko kan president men ka mateng so wosi mo malu ko president wala ka mateng but amanga ndolla faulty. We never expect that he will go this way. but as him malu because nsi keo ke munyum banko di molti nsi keo ke munyum banko atlem banko la president so ni la president ka mateng of course an almantra political party killing but atlem president ako si mo malu asi mo niyo tora nsi meita ni wala mu ndiko ni ko aka fudiamo aka fo Usain Dabol ma bara ko mo men fo na asamba asemeni Usain Dabol la bare Gambia president wala kuma fo balo fo wala kuma fo me alon ko manya na fola president manya na fola Gambia president wala fo Gambia ko sa alon ko president so me alon ko ala kuma kan aketa kuleti me alon ko ke balo fo balo lem to kamala adama well simina fo no wala mu ndiko currently Yajeko, you are the president. You can say and do whatever you want to do, but like Usain Dabo told you, you will be accountable. Whether you like it or not, whatever you say and do, someday you will be accountable. And that you can never run away from. Thank you.